Shivas kahe shuna damodar. Amara Lakshmir Deka Sampatti Vistar. Because Damodar, Srup Damodar, he was describing Braj and the opulence of Braj, which means the Braj Sampat. And he says, you're talking about the opulence of your Radharani and your Braj Damodar? He smiled, Hasya. My dear sir, this is a translation. It just says, hey, Damodar, Shuniye, you want to see how opulent my goddess of fortune is, my Lakshmi Devi? Amar Lakshmira Deka Sampati Vistar. Lakshmi Devi Sampati, her wealth, her riches is so vast. And you're Vrindavan? And his Radharani, Vrindavanera Sampadeka Pushpa Kisalayam Giri Datu Shiki Picha Gunja Phalamaya. As far as the Sampati of Vrindavan is concerned, what is it? What is your Vrindavan Sampat anyway? It's some flowers and twigs, Pushpa Kisalaya. And Giri Datu, it's some minerals and some yellow, orange, brown, red, little white, some powders from Giri Govardhan, and a few peacock feathers, and some fruit of the gunja plant, which is a little gunja seed, red and black. You call this opulence? You call this wealth? Then he says, Dugda auti dhadi mate tomar gopigan amar takorani vaise ratna simhasan. It's comparing, contrasting your Lakshmi, your Radha with my Lakshmi. Srup Damodar's Radha and Vrindavan with my Lakshmi and Narayan. So I thought this was an appropriate discussion since the gopis, since 2 or 3 verses, they're comparing themselves to Lakshmi and Krishna to Narayan. So that's why our Braj Leela pushed us into Gaur Leela. The wave of the Braj Leela pushed us into the ocean of Gaur Leela. Then the ocean of Gaur Leela will rise into a tidal wave and throw us deeply into the Leela of Braj. This is how the synergy of the Gaur Leela and Braj Leela. The waves of one push one into the other, and the waves of the other one submerge one in the other.